Hey, what's up YouTube? On the show today we're gonna change a thermal fuse and a temperature sensor on that refrigerator. First things, we're gonna remove the back panel. There you go.
Remove the connector assembly on top. The thermal fuse is behind the coil. Just pull on it. To remove the thermal fuse from the connector assembly, pull the two tabs on the side, pull out the connector, and slide it off. With an ohm meter, verify your thermal fuse. If there is no signal, like this one, then you're sure it's defective. Check your new thermal fuse for continuity. This one is good. Install the new one in place. Now it's time to change the temperature sensor. You will have to remove it from the connector assembly the same way you did the thermal fuse. If there's any tie wrap in the way, just cut them. And be careful not to cut any wire. Just pull and wiggle to get the sensor out of its place. It is important to change the temperature sensor each time you replace a thermal fuse, because most of the time the fuse gets blown due to a faulty temperature sensor. Install the sensor connector into the connection assembly. And plug it back in place. Then slide the thermal fuse behind the coil.
Your last step is to reinstall the back panel and then you're done. That concludes our show for today. So if you find that video useful, like, comment, share, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel.